Hey there, future data pros. Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's Python for Data Analysis series. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful libraries for numerical data manipulation in Python, NumPy. Whether you're just getting started with Python or looking to level up, this video will walk you through the essentials and some intermediate features of NumPy. Ready to crunch some numbers? Let's go. First things first, if you don't have NumPy installed, let's make sure we have it set up correctly. You can install NumPy via pip by typing this in your terminal. Once installed, you can import it into your Python script using the following command. Here, nemp is just an alias to shorten our code. Simple enough, right? Let's move on to creating arrays. At the heart of NumPy is the ndArray, or n-dimensional array. Let's start with some basic 1D and 2D arrays. In the first line, we create a simple one-dimensional array. Think of this as a list of numbers, but way more powerful. In the second line, we create a two-dimensional array like a grid or matrix. 2D arrays are essential when working with tabular or any data that comes in rows and columns. You can create arrays with all zeros or ones, which is useful in matrix operations or initializing arrays. Here we use zeros and ones to quickly create matrices filled with zeros and ones, which can come in handy when you need to initialize arrays for algorithms or placeholder data. NumPy arrays support element-wise operations, meaning you can perform operations on entire arrays in one line. We created two arrays, x and y, and added and multiplied them element-wise. Instead of looping through each element, NumPy handles it in a single step, making your code cleaner and faster. NumPy also supports something called broadcasting, which allows you to perform operations on arrays of different shapes. Let's see how that works. Broadcasting allows NumPy to stretch arrays so they match each other's shape for operations. In this example, the 1D array underscore 1 is added to the 2D array underscore 2, and NumPy handles the differences in shape automatically. Now that we've worked with arrays, you might find yourself needing to reshape them. Reshaping allows you to change the dimensions of an array without changing its data. Here we first generate an array of 6 elements using NumPy.arrange6, and then reshape it into a 2x3 matrix. Reshaping is crucial when you're manipulating data for machine learning models or handling large data sets. If you need to go back to a 1D array from a 2D array, you can flatten. Flattening an array is a useful trick when you want to bring multi-dimensional data back to a single sequence for processing. NumPy makes mathematical and statistical operations a breeze. Let's start with calculating the mean, median, and standard deviation of an array. Here we calculate the mean, median, and standard deviation of an array of numbers. These functions are widely used in data analysis for understanding the distribution and spread of your data. One of the biggest advantages of NumPy is its ability to perform vectorized operations, which makes your code significantly faster than using loops. Instead of looping through each element to square it, we use NumPy's vectorized operations to apply the transformation to every element at once. For large datasets, this can save you a ton of time. Now let's talk about working with multi-dimensional arrays, or what we call tensors. These arrays have more than 2 dimensions and are frequently used in advanced data analysis and machine learning. Here we created a 3D array. Think of it as a cube of data. Working with multi-dimensional arrays is essential in areas like deep learning, where you might deal with images or time series data that have multiple layers of information.
Before we wrap up, if you're eager to master more Python skills, check out the Knowledge Academy's e-learning platform. We offer interactive courses, practical projects, and real-time progress tracking, all at your fingertips. Join our community of learners and get started with courses tailored to your needs. Sign up today and unlock your potential.
That's a wrap on NumPy Essentials and some intermediate tricks. Whether you're just starting or looking to fine-tune your data analysis skills, mastering NumPy is key. In the next video, we'll be exploring Pandas, a powerful library for handling tabular data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tutorials. And if you're ready to go deeper into Python for data analysis, check out our full course on the Knowledge Academy's e-learning platform. See you in the next video.